Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these healthy and tasty whole wheat cookies. These cookies are made with whole wheat flour or atta. Here I have made two types of cookies. One is sweet and one is salty. The sweet cookies I have made using Jaggery, so that is also healthy. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिए देखिए चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First, in a bowl, take half cup of oil. To that, add 2/3 cup of jaggery powder. Whisk and mix well. If you are using normal jaggery, then melt it and use. To that, add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour or atta and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything together. Now add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also add cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Mix with hands till combined. Our cookie dough is ready now. Take a portion of the dough and shape a cookie. Make a design with backup spoon. This is completely optional. Prepare all the cookies like so and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Our whole wheat jaggery cookies are ready. Allow them to cool down. Let's make the salty cookies. Add 1/3 cup of oil in a bowl. Sift and add 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of Carrom or ajwain seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well till combined. After that, take a portion and make a cookie. Make design with the backup of spoon. Place them on a baking plate. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven. Our tasty and healthy whole wheat cookies are ready now. These atta cookies are perfect to have with chai and additionally they are healthy. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how they turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.